how is everybody doing? You can see that I just came to buy something, some makeup with the babies, with the kids, you know. I ordered things, and the things that I ordered, I'm going to be gisting it with you guys, but at the same time, let me just hold this phone right now so that I can, you know, here I have everybody here. We just die, make it legit. Oh my God, I can't stop spending all my money for makeup. This is bad and terrible of me, but it's fine. That is my joy. It gives me happiness, guys. So, okay, guys. So as I was saying, I ordered makeup on Sephora, which the very makeup that I ordered, I think I spent about 173 to order it, and the postman came to our house, and he didn't find anybody, so the man just went back and dropped it in their magazine. The man went to drop it in their magazine, and now I can easily, I don't know, like going to the place to their magazine, it will take me about 2 hours to go. So I ordered it because I needed it urgent. That is why I ordered it online. But the way they say for that, they are not doing it. I don't even know what to do. But at the same time, I need makeup. I need foundation to mix with my other things. So I just came here. The lady was just like, okay. And at the same time, you are just beautiful. And you need something to be treating your face, like to treating all these things, you know. And I was like, really? She said, yes, I will recommend this thing. And she's also Nigeria. The mother is Nigeria, while the father is Italy. So she's a mix, and she just saw my color. She's like, you will have the same color, imagine. And I will show you the product I use. And she just like, these are the things, these are the things. I end up spending another 120 euro again. So this 120 euro is a little bit too much. So guys, I will be adding another things. Once I get home, I'll be showing you guys what I have inside this my makeup box. But at the same time, I'm going home now so that the kids, they can go and have their snacks, and yeah, they can go and have their snacks so that I can easily vlog, because I'm not wearing mask and I need to put on my mask. And then once I get home, I'll be showing you guys everything that I have. Sorry that I was not looking to my lens, because I was just trying to control the kids and at the same time just like doing my things. Okay, andiamo. Okay guys, andiamo. Those are my guys, those are my baby boy, and Serena is inside, and we are going in. Andiamo. Okay, so that is the bag over there. Buy some. Deve bloccare, se no corrigi. Quando arriviamo per uscire li sblocca, ok? Ti dico quando deve sbloccare.
No. Ma quindi resta anche se adesso. Hello.
No. Hey guys, I'm not wearing bra. I'm without bra. Today I didn't wear bra. I feel okay. I'm okay, yeah. But at the same time, I can't keep myself. The house vlog, like, welcome back to the vlog that we were doing before. So guys, I'll be showing you what I did. I've already tried the products. I had one cut here because this evening I just shaved all the hair that I have here, and that is one cut mistakenly, and I have a coat. Thank you for coming back again to the video. Now my home, I just took my bath and just finished using the product that I told you guys that I went to buy today. So these are the things that I have inside. The number one thing that I'm going to be showing, and this is the bag. Before I photo, So I just I'm back now, and I'm going to be explaining everything that I have, that I bought, and that they give to me. The first thing here, I just I just put on this way to do this video. I wanted to just come with my hair, but my hair is not nice, so I need to weave it. So this very one is from Douglas, and it is called corrective serum. Okay, Basha. This is a corrective serum. I don't know if you guys can see, but this is it. This very one is to apply after cleaning the face, but at the same time, this product, you need it. It's not sponsored. This video is not sponsored. You need it. Why am I saying that you need it? I'm tired, guys. You need it because the softness alone, like the way it makes your face too soft, like the feelings, it's just like the feelings of a newborn baby. Soft, you know, so soft, well creamed. That is how it is. You know when you use oil to massage newborn baby, how they so that is just it. So this very one is a nice one. And another thing that you also need with the product is this tonic. I told her I have tonic. This is a tonic lifesaver. It is called Shine Refined Tonic from Sephora, and is also sebum balancing tuna. It's also for oil skin. And this one also is also called, I will be doing video for it, especially how to use it. In case you want me to do video for it, let me know. Okay, but I will try that as much as possible. I will surely do video for it. Okay, oil to combination skin, I mean to say. Okay, oily to combination skin. A lime, pale, and tea trees is a corrective serum, and at the same time is a dermatological tested and approved. Okay, so that is just it. You can go for it. This one is from Douglas. Okay, I don't know how you guys are seeing it. This one is from Douglas. And another thing that is more super in it is just this Kylie skin. Kylie by Kylie Jennifer. Did I pronounce it very well? Like Kylie? No, Siri, let's just start it. This is it. This is it. I don't know if you guys can see it, but I will trust me. Can you see that? Okay, guys, I don't know if you guys can see it, but going close to the camera, you guys can't see it that much. But at the same time, yeah, I'm just trying. But I will leave it on the screen. Kylie Skin by Kylie Jennifer. Walnut face scrub, exfoliate, pull, leave, message. That one is French. But at the same time, this very one, I use it to scrub my face. Like this, it's just as if you are using sand. Just as if you are using sand to scrub your face. I'm tired. That is why you guys are seeing my face. Immediately I'm done with this video, I'm going to bed. I will just jump inside the bed. Boom. The next time I just close my eyes and sleep because I'm really tired. At the same time, something happened that I will not be explaining in this video. Okay, so that is just it, guys. The feelings of this scrub, it's just as if you are using sand and honey and oil to scrub your face. The thing is amazing. After scrubbing it, you'll be feeling that hotness. When you are using water to rest it, you'll be feeling that hotness, and at the same time you use this tonic, it will be like as if your face is on fire. Yeah, my face is a little bit reddish because I just finished scrubbing. At the same time, I also use Shine Refined Tonic. You need it, ladies. You need it. Give yourself a treat. It's not expensive. Just buy everything. I'll be doing video for it. All the full face scrub, the cream and everything. Okay? So that is just it. And you use your tonic to tone it. And after using this one to exfoliate. And then you go with this product here that I showed before, corrective serum from Douglas. This one is from Douglas. Use it to massage your face, massage it. Like the cream, when you apply this product, oh god, I've never felt things like that. My face was so soft, like really soft. Oh my god, the softness is just everything that you need to try it out, if not for anything else. And again, Miss Parker questa cosa. And the next thing that I have, I met a nice person, so nice, and I think I'll be showing the rest on the next. I think I'll be showing the rest on my next video. Yeah, I'll be doing video for it. I'll be doing video for it, because I also, what makes me to go to the shop is just for this foundation over here, because the foundation that I guys, don't worry, that will be in the next video. Why these days I was just like, I'm gonna explain it. Something happened, something that is not really nice. I'm gonna explain why. I feel like giving up. I feel like just let everything go. I feel like just I'm done and let it go, but I don't know. But at the same time, I just let everything go, and that is just it. So guys, I'll be bringing the gist in on the next video. Let me go and sleep now, because I'm so tired. Today is Friday, and I'll be cleaning the house, like cleaning out the house, putting everything in order the way I really needed it, like my weekend to be like, you know, when you are weekend, everywhere is cleaning. In case any visitor came, they can easily have those VIP treatments. This is the real house of, you know, a Weibo. You know what that means? So Budoibo house. So that is just it, guys. Let me go and take some rest. I really need to rest, okay? I need some rest, and tomorrow I'll be doing the video while I'm a little bit down and I was a little bit scared from social media. I will just go there. I don't do anything. I don't even comment. I don't even like. I will just be watching on a low key. So guys, I'll be bringing the story on, okay? Yeah, in case this video comes first, but this video will not come first. I will post this very video. I'll post this very video tomorrow, so that I can bring the story one tomorrow. I will just manage to do makeup. We'll try as much as possible to do my makeup tomorrow, then I will bring it in, okay? Let me go and sleep. Thank you for watching this video, and I hope you enjoyed it. In case you didn't enjoy it, I'm so sorry. Try to get this product. They are nice, they are amazing. And this one, oh my god, the softness a lot. The girl that I met there, the mother is in Nigeria, while the father is Italian. She's a mixed skin. She just saw me. She said, you are beautiful. You are so beautiful. But at the same time, your face need good scrub to scrub out all these little dots that you have in your face. I was like, really? But I do take care. She said, you need it. Just believe me. And her face is so, oh my god, she's so gorgeous. The girl is so gorgeous, just like the color of my baby Samuel. It's not white, it's like bronze. I think she just came back from Africa, because her skin look as if when someone is a little bit, you know, darker, that is how she looked like. I was like, this girl, I think maybe is a mixed race, and at the same time she's a mixed race, and she's so gorgeous, and she recommended this product with this tunic. But unfortunately I have tunic. I told her, she said, okay, as far as you have tunic, that means you know everything, but try these two products and come back to me and tell me how you feel. The feelings alone is a bit, but let's see if I continue to use it for a week, how my face will go. Plus my organic cream. Don't forget to contact Vicky Mega Organic Skincare by +39 3714744598. Vicky Mega Organic Skincare. Contact her for your beautiful cream. Like you can see the way I'm shining. I only apply oil right now. So that is just it. Thank you for watching this video, and good night, guys. I'm tired. Bye. I am Nana.